National Weather Service in Grand Forks has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Mahnomen County in northwestern Minnesota, southwestern Clearwater County in northwestern Minnesota, until 7:45 p.m. At 7:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over northwestern White Earth Nation, or 31 miles north of Detroit Lakes, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bagley, Mahnomen, Island Lake in Mahnomen County, Nituwash, Rice Lake, Roy Lake, and Bellaloo. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.